Here's everything Apple announced at its iPhone 13 event. New iPhones and an updated Apple Watch were among the highlights. Apple made new devices that were announced. There was an iPhone and the Apple Watch. Also, there is a new iPad and iPad mini to buy. Here's everything the company showed off on Tuesday. iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. Apple's more affordable pair of iPhones did not get as many upgrades as the Pro siblings. But what they did get was still nice. The new devices have a new chip and battery. The camera is smaller now, but you can still tell it is there. When the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 mini go on sale, they will start at $799 and $699. You can pre-order them on Friday for when they come out. Apple Watch 7. Apple Watch is going to get bigger. And it will be more durable. The Series 7 is the first Apple Watch to be dust and crack resistant. The screen also has an updated design. The Series 7 will be available in some months this fall. It will start at $399. iPad mini. After 2.5 years, Apple's iPad mini got an update on Tuesday. This is their smallest iPad. It has everything that made the fourth generation of iPads so good. We are talking about a new design, a USB-C connection that is better than the old one. It also has support for the company's second generation Apple Pencil and a more colorful display. You can pre-order the new iPad mini today for $499. It will be available on September 24th. iPad. The 9th generation iPad is the same as the company's last tablet for beginners. But it includes some new and helpful upgrades. The most important of those is a new 12-megapixel camera on the front. It has an ultra-wide lens. This feature comes with the iPad Pro's Center Stage. Center Stage is a feature on the camera which will make sure that the subject of the photo is always in the center of it. The new 9th generation iPad will on September 24th. Everything else. New hardware is coming on September 20th. Apple will release iOS 15, iPadOS 15, and watchOS 8 that day. The company said it will make Fitness Plus easier to use. You can share classes with your friends and family members.